Hello people, welcome to the channel, welcome back. Yeah, got some bad news. So yeah, I don't know how long I can get out for now because I was waiting on some rims for the M faction. They got lost in transit, so I had a refund. And then we sorting out getting a new car, and then we had a bad RTA. Day before yesterday, leave a picture here. Me and my son, how thankfully both survived. So I don't know, I'm waiting for insurance now. Don't know when I'm going to be able to get out. If I can get a lift, I can get out. If not, I'm not sure what I can upload running wise. I can upload some benching ones, but we'll see. So yeah, thanks for watching people. Thank you for going to stick with me. I blame you if you don't. Take it easy, see you in the next one. Ta-da.